The next stop on this quest to the north is the eerie, otherworldly landscape of Taupo. Centuries ago, violent volcanic eruptions blasted the Taupo area. One in the 2nd century AD was so large it turned the sky red as far north as Beijing and as far west as Rome. The whole area still simmers with low-level volcanic activity.
This area here is Wairakei Terraces. It was originally used by our people for its healing purposes. Geothermal water played a significant part for Māori people.
Tribes with access to geothermal power used it for cooking, bathing, heating, and healing. For European newcomers, these waters were the original destination spa. Now they are a tourist draw and an invitation to learn Maori myths.
We believe that the energy comes from our ancestor called Ngāti Roirangi, which we are direct descendants from. Our main goal here is to educate people, to educate them, to also be guardians over what we have, and understand that we can't separate ourselves from what we call Papatūnuku, which is God of Earth. We say we come from there, we're made up from different particles of Earth as well as the plants. And when we go back there.
Wending north of Taupo, the Waikato River passes through more thermal areas. A boat ride across the river to the Orakei Korako site is like being transported through a magic glass into a steamy netherworld. This is an expanse of bubbling mud pools, gushing geysers, and infernal silica terraces. But because it's off the beaten track, it's less visited than New Zealand's other thermal areas. But some claim it's the country's best. As dramatic as this geothermal area is, at one time it was even more impressive. A hydroelectric dam constructed in the early 1960s flooded 2/3 of this area, covering dozens of geysers and hundreds of hot springs. Most Kiwis now think the dam was a mistake, and grassroots opposition led the government to suspend plans for future projects.